Got a call for water coming through the ceiling when the shower is run. Doing a ride along today with Ken from Momentum Maintenance, and it's going to be his show, so I'll just be filming and hopefully we can get this taken care of.
So it'll tell quite a bit. Do you want to do a video up there? Let's see.
I'm gonna head upstairs. So the most likely would be that shower neck, do you think?
So it could be the shower neck.
Or the cartridge?
It could be the cartridge. It could be the drain. There's also a possibility of cracks in the caulking. But the caulking looks pretty stable. So this will tell us if it does hold.
So now we're gonna test the drain, see if it holds water. We dripping?
Not yet.
So the tub's filling right now, and we still have no water coming down. We've got a bucket here to catch it.
No longer.
Got the tub about halfway full, still no leaking. All right, so you shut the water off. Got the tub spout removed. Everything looks pretty good on the tub spout. Is that handle like stuck on there?
Yeah.
Might need some CLR to get that handle off. Can we try something?
It may be here.
Do you want to just splash that overflow while I go down?
Yeah, that's actually what I'm thinking, because it does.
All right. So he's gonna splash on that overflow, that circular part, and see if that's where it's coming from. Keep doing it. I think some drips are coming. Go ahead, shake that again. Look how loose that is. Now we're just gonna fill it up to the overflow and see if we can recreate the problem. Ken, why don't you just jump in the tub? Expedite this.
Alright.
We're getting close. Got everything back together. I think this is going to be our issue. As soon as we got to that overflow plate, it's dripping down now pretty bad. Just taking the overflow off now to see what's going on behind it, see if there's even a gasket behind there. Now if those screws are loose, those Phillips, oh yeah.
Yeah, that's way loose.
So it's not making a seal against the back of the tub. Here, let me get up close. Look how loose that is. Oh yeah. Pull that baby up.
I don't know that I'm gonna go that deep with it. I just dropped it down a little bit more. I can get my sleeve wet.
That's fine. So now we're nice and tight. How's the seal look?
You know the other thing, I just realized that seal's on upside down.
Oh.
Because if you look at the
Yeah, it is.
overflow, it should have the major seal up here.
Yep.
The minor seal down here. Otherwise it's having to build up past here before it flows out.
Yeah, so let's do the old flipperoo. Got the lightweight Milwaukee M12. One of my favorite drills.
There we go.
Getting that seal correctly. It's alright. Just start getting your uniform dirty.
Yeah. Do it right.
I definitely won't edit that out. Yeah. Don't want to over torque it. So we should be able to splash it on or fill it up above and see if the overflow works like it's intended without leaking. Getting close to the top, gonna go downstairs and check for leaks. Still dripping. I don't know if that's from that's residual drippage. So we are at the overflow now, and it's doing what it should be doing. We wiped down the pipes downstairs, and I'm gonna go back down and check. Water is still running, draining into the overflow. All right, we've still got some dripping. It's not as bad as before, but it's definitely coming down. I'm gonna try and tighten it down a little more. If not, we'll have to run to Home Depot and get a new gasket.
Pretty flush in there. So
I'm just gonna reseat the gasket because this one looks like it's in good shape.
yeah.
Now that we're overflowing, we're gonna check for leaks again. I'm gonna drain this down, go to Home Depot and get a new overflow kit.
The overflow.
Where's the overflow?
Overflow's right here.
Swapping that one out with this universal overflow gasket.
On there.
All right, now to test the overflow once again.
Flashlight down here?
All right, we're overflowing now. Give it a couple minutes. I don't hear any drips yet. You can hear the overflow draining. We're still overflowing and we have no drips. And we're gonna do a full drain test to make sure all the piping is good. Also double checking the shower. We don't want any callbacks, so just to make sure that shower neck is good up there. All right, shower's running.
Okay. Yep, we're still dry. Everything looks good.
Right on. Everbuilt overflow drain gasket for the win. This fix is done. If you are in the Denver, Colorado area, give Momentum Mechanical and Maintenance a shout out. I'll leave a description of the contact details in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one.